The result of mechanical up-degree concerning thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been exceptional, particularly for digital currencies, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the feeling, die. The equivalent essentially turns out as expected for truly many noted digital currencies in a huge manner. One such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank generally is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually dependable and accessible at much lower cost, upgrading the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the very local badge of Sushiswap, has sort of taken care of the reliable ascent sought after of the financial backers. The computerized guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity especially potential. Before we dive into the Sushiswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the kind of interesting elements of Sushiswap. Taking a gander at the consistent upsurge in the cost of Sushiswap, it merits seeing how the value outline of Sushiswap truly has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered sort of useful benefits. Sushiswap works with gains, however fabricates trust. Sushiswap's portion-empowered comfort as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, conveying different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. As per the specialized examination and Sushi coin cost forecast, by end of 2022, the cost of Sushiswap will be $4.41, with good faith posing a potential threat in coming not many years in an unpretentious way. As per the most recent extremely long-haul Sushiswap cost gauge, Sushi cost will explicitly hit $5.11 before the current year's over, and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost forecast, Sushiswap cost ought to show an extraordinary potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in good circumstances. Subsequently, in the truly long haul, Sushiswap may have a huge fan base which will, in every way that really matters, assist it with arriving at new highs. According to the ongoing value pattern and specialized pointers like relative strength file, Sushi cost could record a gigantic cost flood above $30 in the forthcoming years, which is very huge. Sushiswap value forecast 2022, which is very huge. Be that as it may, since the USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, somewhat keeping a kind of low exchanging movement may not be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are basically added to the dissemination, weakening the stock. Seeing the 100% return is significant. There are negative feelings winning that diminish additional expectations of cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 start of the year 2022 amazingly. In every practical sense, normal cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year in an unpretentious way. Sushiswap value forecast 2023, which generally is very critical. The capability of Sushiswap is additionally encouraged by the powerful help region presented by really well-to-do, especially Chinese business people, being discussed consistently. The costs of Sushiswap have shown dynamism and vacillation at the same time in a significant manner, once more thus taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value forecasts, and help from the proprietorship. The resource cost might flood because of fastidious arranging technique, being vertically at $12 by 2023 N. Sushiswap value forecast 2024 in a significant way. A few specialists likewise fundamentally contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark regarding a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes, in somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token incredibly. An uplifting cost expectation estimate for the later long stretches of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of USD in every practical sense is ready for an astonishing excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. Sushiswap value expectation 2025. Sushiswap specialized examination and Sushiswap conjecture additionally generally demonstrate markets will shock its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap value forecast 2026. While the essential improvements have affected the Sushiswap cost, pushing them in a positive course, the digital money market is by all accounts holding a ton basically more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the success of Sushiswap cryptographic money is huge steadfastness on decentralized applications, at which the costs essentially are absolutely reliant upon market development. The cost is anticipated to for the most part reach $17 in the drawn out in the year 2026. Consequently, it is a right speculation exhortation. As per the specialist's own exploration, the sushi yield arrived at 15% in 1 year, which is genuinely critical. The need to get sushi tokens to take part in the pool likewise checked positive cost change toward the start of the truly second quarter of 2021, in opposition to mainstream thinking, standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22. Sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end incredibly. At the hour of composing the Sushiswap cost forecast, the coursing supply waits around 127,244,443 sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushiswap, opening the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer certainly is done exceptionally full equity to. The whole foundation of sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing sushi. They can in any case profit from the fractional procuring receiving an attractive benefit. This component of sushi outperforms all very different benefits of this crypto resource that makes certain to crown it as a gem in the realm of computerized monetary standards. Check here are really other crypto cost forecasts in a significant manner. Is Sushiswap a buy in large wise interest in a significant manner? In view of Sushiswap cost expectations and in actuality yes. As per basics of unwavering quality and strong openness of liquidity, Sushi would basically end up being a trailblazer in the for the most part whole digital currency world. On a critical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will most likely explicitly stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and dealers can in a real sense begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost generally reach $50 incredibly? Remarkable or genuinely dangerous development according to the for the most part momentary Sushiswap cost expectations. Sushi coin cost might be an embellishment, which is genuinely huge, particularly in light of the fact that in every practical sense, because of pandemic the majority of the digital forms of money for the most part have endured a terrible shock. The equivalent is valid for Sushiswap as well. Nonetheless, the token has gigantic potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic explicitly is subsiding, it would continuously be extraordinary information for sushi holders as well, and it would be the most exorbitant cost. Is the sushi coin going up, which generally is genuinely huge? According to the cost conjectures, the especially normal cost is supposed to reach $10.10 in the year 2023. What number of Sushiswap coins are there? The Sushiswap cost today is $3.23 in a significant manner. The market cap truly is $410,663,514.56 in a maximum supply of 250 million sushi coins. What will Sushiswap cost be in 2025? According to the cost expectation conjecture, there would for the most part be a value change and will reach $16.80 in the year 2025. In this time span additionally one can trade